Hey, Maria, I love your new hairdo. Aquaman is coming here to do his new movie.
I bet he'll like our lemon raspberry tiramisu.
He would love that. There's some great raspberries at Raspberry Reef. I'll go get them. And I just got some lemons from Lemonade Waterfalls.
Welcome to my loony kitchen.
We'll go ahead and get started. Okie dokie. Beat together 24 ounces of mascarpone cheese, a half a cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat this on high speed until it's nice and smooth. In a pinch, you can use cream cheese instead of mascarpone cheese, but the hoity-toity taste buds can tell. And scrape down the bowl just to make sure everything is getting fully mixed in. Things like to hide and stick to the bottom. Then grate the zest of 4 lemons straight into the bowl. Be careful not to go all the way down to the white part, because that's bitter. And all the flavor is in the yellow part.
Oops.
Hey, what are you doing down there? Practicing for when Aquaman comes. Oh, brother, get the raspberries, please. Okay, party pooper. I'll go get 'em. To half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice, add 0.3 ounces of unflavored gelatin. And beat this right on in. We add 6 drops, 6, of yellow food coloring to help it look more lemony. Remember, we eat with our eyes first. I got them. I put them on the counter over there. Now we're going to make some whipped cream. We could have made it in the first mixer bowl in the beginning and poured it into another bowl so we could have used just one mixer bowl. I forgot to do that. Add in a 1/4 cup of sugar and whisk this to soft peaks. Nope, that's soft serve ice cream. Nope, not yet, just a little longer. There, it's a soft curve in the bowl. Fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture. Take about 1/3 and fold that in to loosen it all up. And fold in the rest. See how Big Val is scooping to the bottom and bringing it and folding it in? That helps keep in all the air that we whisked in earlier. It only takes like 5 minutes of folding. Here's the easy way to make raspberry syrup. Take 11 ounces of raspberry preserves and half a cup of water. You'll see how we use this in a minute. We put it all together in layers. Spread some syrup on the bottom and place half the ladyfingers in the dish. We don't make our own ladyfingers. They're a pain in the ass. Oh no, sister. They're like $3 in the store. Pipe in a 1/2-inch layer of the creamy goodness and spread it smooth. Then a thin layer of the syrup and fresh raspberries for scrumptious texture. The rest of the ladyfingers and the rest of the creamy goodness. Chill this in the fridge for at least 3 hours. More flavor will come out if you chill it overnight. But the ladyfingers will get soft from soaking up all the syrup. You should have nearly half the raspberry syrup left. Right before we serve this to Aquaman, we'll drizzle his piece with it. Leave a comment. We love to read your comments. It makes Marina do cannonballs.
Yeah,